Mastering the art of PDF creation unlocks effortless document sharing and preservation. First, let's turn your everyday Word documents into professional PDFs. Open your Word file, navigate to the File menu, and select Save As or Export. Choose your desired save location. And in the Save as Type dropdown, select PDF. You can then click Options to set PDF quality. Choose whether to include document properties, and decide if you want to optimize for standard or minimum size. Hit Save, and voila a tilde. Your Word document is now a universally compatible PDF. Next, we'll tackle images and even multiple image files for individual images, or when you need more control. Adobe Acrobat Pro is a fantastic tool. Open Acrobat and go to File, then Create, and choose PDF from File. Select your image file, and click Open. Acrobat will convert your image into a PDF if you have multiple images. Use the Combine Files feature within Acrobat to merge them into a single PDF document, arranging them in your preferred order. For quick PDF creation from web pages, or when you don't have dedicated software, online converters are your best bet. Simply open the web page you want to save. Many browsers have a print option that allows you to save as PDF. Alternatively, search for an online PDF converter. These websites typically offer a drag-and-drop interface where you can upload your documents or images. Some even allow you to paste URLs from websites to convert them directly. Follow the site's instructions to generate and download your PDF. Creating PDFs ensures your formatting, fonts, and images remain exactly as you intended, no matter who opens them or on what device. This universal compatibility is crucial for professional presentations, important archives, and seamless collaboration. By following these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a PDF creation pro.